Hey everyone, it's Stiles. This is a nice restore routine you can do anytime to let everything, all the stress and tension really settle. Give yourself the time and space to calm and slow down so you can have access to your vitality, your energy, your strength. Everything can naturally come back. So this is to chill out a ton. All right, we'll start sitting here, nice and comfortable. And let yourself move into any direction or any place that feels nice to move into. If you find a place that feels a little stuck or tense, feel free to hang out there for a little while. Breathe really big and full and deep. Notice if anything changes, opens up. And really letting your breath take over, moving you, letting the inhales lift you up a bit. And letting your exhales soften you even more. So really getting that feeling that the breath is moving you and your body is just simply going along for the ride. And start to let any movement resolve, finding an easy, still place. Take a big inhale through your nose. Long exhale. Twice more, big inhale. Easy exhale. Once more, big inhale. Easy exhale. And gently open your eyes. All right, we'll come onto all fours on your hands and knees. Real soft on your joints and on the rest of you. Just move in the easiest possible way here. Maybe a little rock side to side here, rolling all the way onto one side, that maybe the hand lifts off the ground. And roll all the way toward your other side here. Just let your hands soften, relax there. Soften as it comes back into contact with the ground. So no need to use any extra effort here. So if you find yourself kind of coming up and picking up your hand, let's see if you can really let that hand only release because you're moving your whole body to the side. So this is a really nice practice to use what you need and rest what you don't. So conservation, really good stuff. This kind of practice really allows you to do more at the end of the day with a lot less energy and to feel great in the process, which is awesome. All right, once you had enough of that one here, come back onto all fours. And easy rolling here through your spine, a little side to side, around and round, or forward and back. Breathing nice and big and full and deep. And lean toward your left side, slide your right leg all the way up between your hands for a nice lunge. Scoot your back leg back a little bit here and settling in toward your hips. So take your time here to open up. If you always go to the same version, just move a little bit more slowly here so you can really find a good place that feels nice for you right now. So maybe a little sway side to side, around and round. Breathing nice and big and full and deep. And lean in toward your left side. Take a big inhale to open up for a nice twist. And we'll trade sides here. Lean toward those right side. Big inhale to open up. And one more time each side here. Lean toward the left side. Big inhale for a nice twist. And last one here. Lean into it. Big inhale for a nice opening. And coming right back in toward that lunge. Again, settling here. And let any sway or movement start to resolve. Finding an easy, still place. All right, lean away from it here, over toward your left side. So you free up this front leg, slide it back around here onto all fours on your hands and knees. Again, a little sway through your body here to open everything up, nice and simply. And we'll go for your other side here. So lean toward your right side, slide this left leg all the way up and around here. Back toward this low lunge. You can scooch the back knee back a little bit there if that feels nice. Again, moving slow enough here so you can really see what's going on. Find a good place. Breathing really big and full and deep. And again, we'll take that twist. So lean toward your right side. Big inhale for a nice twist. And same thing, other side here. Lean toward the left side. Big inhale for a nice opening. One more time each side here. Lean in toward the right side. Big inhale for a nice twist. And back away from it here. Left fingertips. Big inhale for a nice opening. And all the way back toward your middle. Again, little sway side to side or easy round and round. Settling back in. Finding a good place. Nice. All right, lean away from it here. Crawl over toward this right side so you can free up this front leg. Back around here onto all fours on your hands and knees. Little sway side to side to open up a bit. Tuck your toes. Take a big inhale to lift your hips up and back toward your down dog. And settle in here. Little bend in your knees and elbows. Gentle sway of your hips. Breathing nice and big. Take a gentle crawl up toward the top of your space here. So crawl your feet in your hands as you go. So you're moving in toward a bigger space. Fold up and over your legs. Little bend in your knees. Rounding everything all the way up towards standing. Take your time. Take a big inhale to open up. And easy all the way up and over your legs. Take a big inhale, lengthen out toward a nice long flat back. Soften your knees, plant your palms, and just make your way back toward that down dog, settling in. Little bend in your knees and elbows, gentle sway. And again, crawling back up toward the top of your space here. Walk your feet in your hands like a nice bear crawl here. Moving in toward a bigger space. And fold up and over your legs. Little bend in the knees. Rounding everything all the way up towards standing. Take your time. Take a big inhale to open up. This time, soften everything. Grab a hold of your right wrist. Take a big inhale to stretch up here so much that maybe you start to tip on over a little bit here. Ease in your knees. Gentle sway. And take a big inhale to come all the way back toward your middle. And same thing, other side. Grab the wrist, soften. Big inhale to stretch up here so much up that maybe you run out of up and tip on over like a nice rainbow. Feels like a really good opening here. Give yourself the space to roll around a bit here. Let it feel nice. Coming all the way back toward your middle. Big inhale to stretch up. And easy round up and over your legs. Soften your head and neck. Lean toward your right side. Slide your left leg way back behind you for a nice low lunge. So step your feet a little bit apart here. Push down through your legs. Roll your body up through your middle. Big inhale to fill everything up. And easy settle in toward this lunge. We'll just hang here for a little bit. So again, getting this feeling of leaving your body alone. And let your breath take over. So the inhale's lifting you up. And the exhale softening you. Easy here. Nice calm gaze. Take a big inhale to stretch up. And easy, come on back down, lean toward this left side. Slide your front leg back around here in toward your down dog. And again, crawl up toward the top of your space, crawling your feet in your hands as you go. And folding up and over your legs. Round everything all the way up towards standing. Big inhale to open up. And easy all the way up and over your legs. Lean toward this left side. Slide that right leg way back for your low lunge. Step your feet a little bit apart here so you have a nice stable base. Push down through your legs. Roll your body up through your middle. Big inhale to stretch up. And easy settle here. Again, just a few breaths, nice and calm. So letting yourself simply be in the movement here and letting your breath take you along for the ride. Inhale, stretching you up a bit. And the exhale, softening you just a little more. And come all the way back down here. Lean toward this right side. Slide your front leg back around here for your down dog, settling in. This time, tuck your chin, roll out toward your plank pose. Nice long wave here through your spine. Maybe walk your feet back a little bit. Easy sway side to side or round and round. Soften your knees down toward the ground and sink your hips for a nice, easy opening here, dropping through. Maybe a little sway side to side, looking over your shoulders a bit here. Breathing big. And keeping your knees on the ground, shift up and back toward your nice child's pose. Let everything rest. And when you're ready, gently roll yourself all the way up towards sitting here. And just for a moment, close your eyes. Let your hands softly rest on your thighs. Simply notice how you feel. And take a big inhale through your nose. Easy exhale. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. So I hope you feel a little more restored and refreshed. So keep practicing, stay easy, and I'll see you soon.